Hi there, Jonathan here, and today we're going to talk about a new split test that I've been running, and also this new campaign, how it's all performing. So we're at day 224 now, so it's been a good few days. I think maybe at least 5 days since I've done a video, but we have been getting through this whole process of rebuilding the campaigns, rebuilding everything in Facebook, and changing the landing page. Been doing a lot of stuff to get things back on track, and thankfully we seem to be now making good progress. So really just a catch up, this is where we're at right now. So obviously our numbers are lower because my ad spend is back down at 200. I had to start all the way back at £100 again, and are slowly building my way back up. So actually yesterday we had 764, and that's actually a good number. Bear in mind it's only £200 a day on ad spend, and today at 565. So let's get into just the details of what I've been doing on the ad side, then look at the landing page and where we're at right now. So as I said, my ad campaign, I had to take it all the way back to £100 because of that complete mess up, which I've covered in detail in a previous video. So now I'm slowly working my way back up, probably increasing it. I probably should stick it up another £20 a day probably from where I'm, because it really is starting to work now, because we see over this is over the last week, the cost per purchase has come down, and if we look at more recent than that, probably since maybe that 10th to the 13th, it might have improved further still. Cost per purchase has come down a little bit more still, down at £15.77, which is good. Our CPM is still reasonably expensive, and we'll have to have a look at that in a bit more detail, but the click-through rates are all good on it, and the conversion rates generally sitting around 3% on the landing page, but we'll see what this new split test does. So all I'm doing for a split test, this is the new sort of Milan method strategy that I was working with, from the ads all the way through to the landing page. Super simple landing page, talks a bit about the actual method and how it actually works. So not a massive amount changed from that sort of landing page, and all I'm doing actually, I'm split testing on a very small scale. I'm just split testing the actual headline itself. There's a lot more things I'm going to be coming on to split test, but we try and just do one element at a time. So we've got this one, your brain builds new skills at 70 the same way it does at 17, is my control, and the new one is how 70-year-olds are learning faster than 17-year-olds using the Milan method. So a bit more straight sort of to it with this second one. So that's really only just started running, so it probably needs to run for a good 4 or 5 days, and then we'll start to see what is working, what's coming out on top. So that's the landing page side of things. In terms of the this was the view on what's happened over the 5-day period, I think, since I last shot a video overall in that period. Actually, I better make sure it's on the same period, isn't it? 7th to the 13th. Let's look at that. Yeah, it's a 7-day period. 7th to the 13th. We've got an ad spend of $12.91, which works out at about $17.40-ish in dollars, and we've done 3,400 almost in sales. So basically we are still now tracking at a doubling the return, which is good, and obviously you can see still some low figures down here, but we're all good now, and because my ad spend has been less, it's been easier to make into profit, and obviously that was a really good profit day yesterday, and today looks pretty reasonable as well. So thankfully we are we are back in business. We're back on track, and hopefully we'll continue this through April now, and I'll have the opportunity to start to expand the budgets, expand more some of the more creative ideas that we can play around with, and lots more to test. So yeah, hopefully we're back on stable ground, and we'll see what happens over the next few days. So yeah, that's all I've got for you today, and yeah, fingers crossed we continue with the current trajectory of things, and I'll no doubt catch up with you again very soon, maybe even tomorrow. Okay, bye for now.